Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video, we're going to show some simple ways that we cook while we're down at river. We're going to start with a very simple meal for the kids, fish and chips. All right, let's get to it. Rightio, we'll just start pouring the oil straight in the camp oven. This is 4 litres, we'll see how much we ended up needing. Haven't tried fish and chips down the river yet, but we thought I'd try it for the kids anyway. I reckon we'll go the whole lot. Looking forward to this one. Rightio. Bring it straight over here. I've already got some hot coals here ready to go. So we'll heat that up and then we'll throw it in. It's taken about 20 minutes for that oil to heat up enough, but we can finally put some chips on there. I've been lazy today, not even cut them myself. Let's throw some in there and see how it goes. Once they start floating, they should be ready. Rightio, you can see the chips are all starting to float now, and they're nice golden brown. So they're all ready to get out, and then we can put some fish in there. Right, so now we've just got some crumbed whiting fillets we're going to put on for the kids. Right, little baby ones. Should be delicious though. Really looking forward to this bit. All right, they're all done, nice and crispy brown. We'll get into these now and then we'll cook a nice roast for dinner. Now, the camp oven is probably my favourite way to cook since it's so versatile. As you've seen, we just cooked fish and chips then. We're about to cook a lamb roast, but in the past I've cooked sausage rolls and pasta bakes and pretty much anything you can cook at home, you can cook in the camp oven. Now, there's 2 types available. You've got your cast iron or your spun steel. I've decided to go with the spun steel. It's a lot lighter, but they've both got their benefits. I picked this one up for under $100 from Full Drive Super Center, I think. Now, you get a trivet with it as well. If you're going to cook a roast, you make sure you put the trivet in first. That just keeps your roast off of the direct coals underneath, so you're not burning the bottom, and you're more even heat distribution through the whole camp oven. It turns it into an oven rather than just a grill on the bottom. So yeah, simply all you do, open your roast, put all your flavours, your herbs and spices and everything you want around the roast, put it straight in the middle, cut up all your veggies, put all your veggies around the edges, put the lid on, throw it straight in the hot coals, so you have hot coals underneath it, and then also with the roast we'll put hot coals on the lid as well. That way you get a nice even heat distribution through the whole oven, and probably every half an hour, open it up, maybe give it a turn, stir the veggies a bit, and keep checking it every half hour, and it won't take too long, you have a beautiful roast. This was the first grill I started off with. I got it from Full Drive Super Center. It probably cost me $20, $30. It's not too bad. It comes with its own little canvas bag. So you just fold up the legs, throw it in the bag, throw it in the car, and you're not going to get your car dirty. The only dislike I've got about it, the legs don't come out very far. So if you've dug a hole like I do for the fires, you've got to be careful it doesn't fall into the fire. But probably the only thing I use this for now is the grill for cooking the kids' breakfast. So let's start off with some pancakes this morning. And then we'll go to my favourite method of cooking, the Osprey. Anytime I want to cook meat now, my go-to cooking appliance is the Osprey. Comes with this basket with different level settings so you can lock your meat in so it doesn't move anywhere. You can flip it, do anything. Comes with its own canvas bag too, and comes with this awesome stand. The best feature about this stand, you got 3 different heat levels. So you just throw it straight on, and you can adjust each level. If it's cooking too quick, just raise it up a bit. That's something that other cooker just couldn't do. You had one level and you were set to that. You had to judge it by how much wood you had on the fire. Whereas this, I can judge it by the height. So I think this is a much better idea. All I've got at the moment, a couple of chops with some herbs wrapped in alfoil. We'll see how they go. Cheers. Well, these chops are done now and they look amazing. I'm really happy with how they turned out. These are just some of the methods we use while we're cooking at camp. We still have other methods. If we don't have a fire, we've got a butane burner, which I've showed in another camping beginners tips video. The 2 butane burner with the hot plate and a heat shield around it. That's just a really easy way. It's always in the back of the car. You just pull it out. Within minutes, you've got your hot plate going. But if you have any other questions, guys, just leave a comment. If you have liked the video, leave a like, and if you haven't already, maybe subscribe. But thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.